Yeah, hello. Now, next is so this exercise also we discussed in the last session. So enlargement and the reduction of the design. So here you can see this is size is 1 inch by 1 inch, and this has been expanding up to 3 inch by 3 inch, and the same design is expanding up to 9 inch by 9 inch. So when you require the same type of design, so you can download from the internet. But so the problem is when you require the same type of design, you need to trace it. Okay, so here what I'm doing is to trace this. The background should not move. So for that I'm just right clicking on this. I can lock this layer. So lock the object. Now you'll find the lock symbols. In these corners you can find the lock symbols. Now I'm zooming this bit. Okay. Now with the tool like say maybe Bezier, maybe pen or Bezier Splend, so you can pick any tool. So whichever you like. Yeah, flexibly you can handle it. Now I'm using the Bezier Splend because with this we can create the smooth curves very perfectly. Now the initially, so you can watch how I'm tracing the line or curve. You can come down. Okay. So while coming out, so you need to click the starting point, then only the complete circuit will be closed. Now you can fill this with any color, whichever the color you like. So just click it on that, and whether you want to keep the strokes or you want to remove it, it's up to you. Simply by clicking on them, you can remove the strokes. Okay. So initially I'm just clicking, it's very small, like using this hairline option, and I'm just continuing this. Okay, so now I'll start from this side. Okay, now I'm picking the same color, and here I'm using the hairline, this very small line. Okay, likewise you can just continue the entire design. Now I'm pausing my video. Okay, so I've made all this. Now next is I can draw these patterns also. The patterns here, leaves, butterfly. Now again we can take some like different color, so it's not matching. That's okay, I think. So go on tracing the leaves also, leaves your petals. So you can click the same color. Okay, so I'll repeat it. Okay, so ఈ petals అన్ని కూడా ఫినిష్ చేసేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ నేను ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ టూల్ తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఈ మధ్యలో ఈ కొన్ని సో ఈ పొడిసే గ్యాప్స్ ఫినిషింగ్ ఫింగర్స్ with the circle. So with the free hand tool, I can draw this. Okay, so if I don't want, you can just send this back side. So here we got a problem. So go to shape tool, hold this pointer and put it exactly on this. Then the circle will be closed. The color will fit. Okay. So like that finish all right. So anyway, I finished my design. Now to place this in 9 by 9 table. So table grids are 3 by 3. So I'm taking a table here. The grids are 3 and 3, and the size of this is 9 and 9, 9 inches and 9 inches. When I press OK, So with the 9 by 9 table being generated. Now I'm selecting the entire model. Okay, so right click and group this, because this is all made up of individual patterns and all. So I'm just grouping this, putting exactly in the center. Okay, so see, even if randomly also you can keep it exactly in the center position, because the snap mode is in on, so automatically it goes to the center. Or else you can use the same method, whatever we used earlier. Now select both the objects. Now go to the align tool here. So we need to press the align center horizontally button and press align vertical button. So these two will be fixed exactly inside each other. Now we can group it, and that's it. Now this becomes a single entity. You can move wherever you want. And the size of this is 9 by 9. So how can you come to know that the size of this is 9 by 9? So here is the dimension tool. Okay, so by taking the parallel dimension, so just click on this end and this end. So you can show the 9-inch dimension over there. Okay, and same way by dragging this into, just click it over here and you can move it, and the size is 9. Now again you can hold it and you can drag it aside. So likewise you can show the dimension also. Now this is 9 by 9, and your like main exercise is how can we reduce this into 3 by 3 and 1 by 1. Okay, it's very simple. Now just make a copy of this one. So for making the copy, already I told you to click the plus symbol or else right click. So first you have to drag this, and while releasing you need to press right click, then the duplicate will be generated. So this is one more method to make duplicates. Okay, so hold with left mouse button. One more time I'll explain it. So I'm moving this object. Before releasing, just click the right click and release the mouse. So the duplicate will be generated. So this is the easiest way of making duplicates. So anyway, the universal tool is copy paste. At any time we can use this, and by clicking the plus symbol also you can make duplicates. Okay, control D also you can make duplicates. So there are a lot of ways. So you can use anyone. Okay, now the size I want to change this as 3 by 3, and I've selected this, and the value I can change from this palette. So this is 3 by 3. Again, by going into the dimension you can check the, now taking the parallel and just see the dimensions. Okay, it's 3 by 3 exactly, vertical and horizontally you can measure the distance. So it's 3 by 3. Okay, and now I need to compress one more box into 1 by 1. So where it is, yeah, this one. So select it and change this to 1 by 1. 1 by 1, how much it is? That's 1 by 1. Okay, so it's small. So select this and change the value to 1 by 1. So it's very small. And now you can give the dimensions also, parallel dimensions, by holding this endpoint to endpoint. Click, and from this endpoint, so you can show this dimension. Okay, so likewise you can create any type of patterns and motifs, whatever it may be. So you can enlarge them or you can compress them. Okay, right.